So let's do a little review of the eBay Beauty Light, the small one apparently. So yeah, just come in a box like this, obviously wrapped up. And then these are all the little pieces. So the actual light, and then the stand. So I'll put it together and then I will show you. So we've got for your phone, and then that's obviously for the lights. Ooh. Sorry, I'm taking a picture. There we go, that's it on. And then you can dim. There, I'll make it back brighter. And you can change the colour. To obviously put your phone in. So as a little review, I just wanted to say I think it's ideal if you just want to have a little bit of a play with makeup. As you can see, it's not the best quality, but it was only like £16 or something like that, so it's good for what it is. I like that it's got 3 different colours, you can lighten it, you can take pictures. I think that's great for the price. It's just obviously not the professional ones, if you know what I mean. I would recommend buying it. I probably will use it for like night out makeup or something like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.